Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I'm fine, but I have a big problem.
Oh, what's your problem, Sarah? Tell me about it.
I study English for 2 years. I read many books. I watch movies, but I can't speak well. When I want to speak, I forget everything.
I understand. This is a very common problem. Many students have this problem.
Really? But why? I study every day. I know grammar. I know many words.
Yes, I know you study hard. But speaking is different from reading. Let me ask the class, who has the same problem?
Oh, that makes me feel better. I thought only I have this problem.
Teacher, I have the same problem. I understand everything when I listen, but speaking is so hard. Thank you for sharing, John. Can you tell us more? Yes. Yesterday, I met an American tourist. He asked me about the metro station. I knew the answer, but I couldn't say it in English. What happened then?
I I used my hands. I pointed to the direction. It was very embarrassing.
Don't be embarrassed. This happens to many language learners. Today we'll learn why this happens and how to fix it.
Teacher, I study grammar every night. I memorize vocabulary lists. Why doesn't it help with speaking?
Excellent question, Mina. Think about riding a bicycle. Can you learn to ride by only reading books about bicycles?
No, I need to actually ride the bicycle.
Exactly. Speaking is like riding a bicycle. You need to practice the action, not just study about it.
Oh, so reading and studying are not enough?
They're important, but not enough. When you read, you use passive skills. When you speak, you need active skills.
What's the difference between passive and active?
Passive means you receive information, like reading or listening. Active means you produce language, like speaking or writing.
I see. So I'm good at passive skills, but weak at active skills?
Yes, exactly. Many students are like this. They understand everything, but can't produce language quickly.
This makes sense now. But how can I improve my active skills?
Let me show you some solutions. Reza, can you help me demonstrate?
Sure, teacher. What should I do?
Tell me about your morning routine. But first, think in English, not in your mother tongue.
Okay. I
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Good. Now let's make it more natural. Try again, but this time add feelings and details.
I wake up at 7. I'm usually tired. I slowly brush my teeth. I eat a big breakfast because I'm always hungry in the morning.
Excellent. See the difference? The second time was much better. You added emotions and details.
Yes, the second time felt more natural. But how can I practice this alone?
Great question. You can talk to yourself. Describe what you see, what you do, what you feel, all in English.
Talk to myself? Won't people think I'm crazy?
Do it at home, in the shower, while cooking, while walking. Nobody will hear you. It's perfect practice.
That's actually a good idea. I never thought about that.
Now, let's practice with partners. Layla and Sarah, work together, please.
Okay. Sarah, what did you do last weekend?
I go to park. No, wait. I went to park. I mean, I went to the park.
That's okay. Which park did you go to?
I went to National Park. It was very beautiful. Many flowers were there.
Nice. What else did you do there?
I walked for 1 hour. I saw many people. Some people were running. Some were sitting on grass.
Did you go alone?
No, I went with my sister. We talked and enjoyed the weather.
Very good, both of you. Sarah, you self-corrected your mistakes. That's excellent.
Thank you. I feel more confident when I practice like this.
This is why partner practice is so important. You feel safer making mistakes with a classmate.
Teacher, I'm shy. I'm afraid of making mistakes when I speak English. John, let me tell you a secret. Native speakers make mistakes too. It's completely normal. Really? But in movies, they speak perfectly. Movies are scripted. In real life, people pause, repeat, and make errors. It's natural.
I never thought about that. So, mistakes are okay?
Not just okay, they're necessary. Every mistake teaches you something. No mistakes means no learning.
But people might laugh at my mistakes.
Good people won't laugh, they'll help you. And if someone laughs, that's their problem, not yours.
You're right. I should be braver. But what if I forget words while speaking? Use simple words you know. Can you give me an example?
Instead of trying to say, I'm extremely exhausted, just say, I'm very tired. Simple but effective.
Oh, that's much easier. I always tried to use difficult words.
Teacher, how many hours should I practice speaking every day?
Quality is more important than quantity, Mina. Even 15 minutes of good practice helps.
Only 15 minutes? That seems very short.
Yes, but do it every day. Consistency is the key. What do you do in the morning?
I make breakfast, get dressed, check my phone.
Perfect. Describe these actions in English while you do them. I'm making coffee. I'm putting on my shoes.
Oh, that's easy. I can do that every morning.
Also, when you watch English videos, pause and repeat what they say. Copy their pronunciation.
Should I record myself speaking?
Yes, that's an excellent idea. Record yourself, then listen. You'll notice your mistakes and improve.
I'll try that. It sounds a bit strange to hear my own voice, but I'll do it.
So, class, let's review. Why is speaking difficult even when you study hard?
Because speaking is an active skill. We need to practice it, not just study about it.
Excellent. And what can you do to improve?
Talk to ourselves, practice with partners, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
Perfect. Remember, every English speaker started as a beginner. Even I made many mistakes when learning.
Teacher, you made mistakes too?
Of course. I once asked for soap in a restaurant instead of soup. Everyone laughed, but I learned.
That's funny. I feel much better now.
Good. Start practicing today. In 3 months, you'll be amazed at your progress. Speaking is a skill. It improves with practice.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Remember, speak every day, make mistakes, learn, and enjoy the journey.